Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Academy's YouTube channel. For 2022, we've gone through a full rebrand of our program, moving from the Digital and Social Media program into the Digital Academy. This new branding represents a better description of the type of training that we're going to be doing, our expanded learning opportunities across a wide range of topics, and the emerging digital and social media world, which is encompassing a much broader sphere of influence, including things such as the metaverse, AI, and a lot of other emerging trends. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you're informed when we're doing live stream presentations, when we upload information about new courses that are available, and just to keep track on some of the new things that are happening in the digital and social media space. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know, and thanks for subscribing.